friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Te Fiti from Moana. So first let's get started with the eye. So stepping over from the center, we're going to curve this line down on the bottom, bringing that over. And then we're going to do the same as we step across on the right. We're going to curve this line up now for the eyelashes. So we're going to arch this line up and then back in. And then we're going to step back in again, just making this slightly smaller, curving this up and then back down. Let's finish closing off the eye now. So from the side here, we're just going to arch this line down towards that inside corner. And then we're just going to color in the eye black. Now in the center for the nose, we're going to draw in a small arch line. And then moving down for the mouth, we're just going to draw in an arch line pointing down in the center. Let's draw in the eyebrows. So we're going to curve this line around, down, and then back in, coloring that in black. And then we're just going to do the same thing on the right. Now from here, let's come up in the center and we're going to draw in a flower. So right in the middle, we're going to draw in a circle. Let's draw in the petals around this. So we're going to curve this up and down. We're going to come out on both sides, arching this around and then back in. Again, on the bottom, curving this around and through towards the center. And then we'll do the same, connecting that on the right. Let's move over on the right-hand side now. We're going to draw in another flower. So moving across, let's draw in another circle right in the center. For the petals up above, curving this around and down. Moving across, bringing this back in. We'll do the same on the left. And then again, two more on a diagonal on the bottom, bringing those around. We're going to draw in one more flower coming over to the right, so leaving a big gap here, drawing in another circle in the center of our flower. Again, on the top, curving this around and down. Bringing this out on the right as well as on the left. And then on the left-hand side, curving this around and back up. And the same on the right. We're going to move across on the left-hand side now, drawing in two more flowers. So leaving a gap, drawing in another circle in the center. In the middle, curving this around and down. Again, bringing this over and back in. And we'll do the same thing on the left. Now on a diagonal, bringing this around and back up. Let's move across one more time, drawing in another circle right in the center. Let's draw in the other flower petals. So we're going to curve this around and down on the right. We're going to bring this over and through on a diagonal on both sides. And then again on the bottom, curving this back up and through. Now let's draw in the hair. So we're going to close off the top here. We're going to curve this around and down on the right. We're going to draw in a small curved line on the right as well as on the left. And then now let's draw in the hair falling down at the front. So we're going to draw in a wavy line as we come down, framing in the side of the head on the left-hand side. And then we're going to do the same on the right, and we're just going to end this at the same height. Let's start from that point now, and again, we're going to curve this in, just following that wavy pattern. Let's close off the chin now for the head. So we're just going to arch this line around and through towards the right. And now let's draw the arms coming out before we frame in the rest of the hair. So coming underneath the chin, we're going to curve this line across on both sides. And then we're just going to continue to extend this line out on both sides, bringing that through. Let's come down now behind and draw in the rest of the hair. So again, just following that wavy pattern as we connect this towards the top of the arm. Now let's come down and draw in the dress. So right in the middle here, we're going to curve this around and in on both sides. And then on the side, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming across. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, down and over. And then we're just going to do the same on the right. Now from here underneath, we're going to round this out, curving this up towards the top. And then again, we're going to move across, replicating that. Let's close off the bottom of the dress now with a curved line from left to right. We're going to draw in the symbol in the middle, so we're just going to draw in a small spiral. Bringing that over on the left. Now as we come down, we're going to curve this line out, down and through, just following the shape here. We're going to do the same on the right. Now we're going to draw in some flowers. So again, we're going to draw in a circle on the left. And then we're just going to draw the petals around it like we did on the top. We're going to come down on a diagonal now on the right, drawing in a small circle in the center. And then again, let's just draw in the petals around this. We're going to draw in some of the bush here now. So we're going to bring this line across, bring this line around. We're just going to follow this pattern as we come around on the side. Let's draw in another flower over on the left-hand side here. And then moving down again, just drawing in another bush. Let's come down on a diagonal, drawing in another flower. Let's come over, drawing in another bush. And then let's move over on the left-hand side, drawing in our last flower. So another circle, and then just the petals around. Now let's continue to draw in the arms falling down. So we're going to curve this out, down and over on the side. We're going to do the same on the left. From here now, from that corner, we're going to curve this back around and up towards the top. Let's move out again, curving this down, up and over towards the dress. We're going to draw in a wavy line as we come up on the side. Towards the top. Now let's draw in the hands here. So on the top, we're going to curve this line up, down, around, and then in for the thumb. For the rest of the hand now, we're going to curve this around and in on the side. And then we're just going to draw in two curved lines coming down. And then right in the middle for the palm, we're just going to draw in a small curved line, bringing that across. Lastly, underneath now, on the side, we're going to curve this around and in. Again from the side, curving that around and back through. Now from here on the side, we're going to bring this line around and then in. Again, we're going to curve this line out and through towards the center. And then now from here on the bottom, just extending this around, bringing this over and then back in on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Te Fiti from Moana. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.